Welcome to Reviewsinside TV, where we bring you the inside scoop on products you're thinking of adding to your collection. Today, we're looking at something that blends modern tech with healthy living, the COSORI Air Fryer, paired with the COSORI Smart Nutrition Scale. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking to simplify family meal prep, this duo promises to make cooking and nutrition tracking easier than ever. Now, this isn't just any air fryer. The COSORI Air Fryer boasts a generous 5-quart capacity, designed to help you cook larger portions in one go. Whether you're preparing a hearty meal for the family or just need enough to feed a couple of hungry mouths, this spacious square basket can handle it all. With a high temperature setting of up to 450 degrees, you can achieve that perfect crispy texture, whether it's chicken, steak, or even your favorite vegetables. But that's not all. Paired with the air fryer is the COSORI Smart Nutrition Scale. This handy device helps you accurately track your food's nutritional information, allowing you to weigh your ingredients and calculate essential nutrients like calories, protein, carbs, and fat with precision. It even gives you access to a massive 1M plus food database and 130 plus wellness recipes through the VeSync app, which is perfect for anyone focused on better portion control or healthier eating. Now let's talk about the experience. Setting up the COSORI Air Fryer was straightforward. The user interface is clean and intuitive, with preset cooking programs for steak, chicken, seafood, bacon, and more. You just select your program, adjust if needed, and let the fryer do its thing. I tried a few different meals to really test the fryer's capabilities. First, I prepped some chicken wings. At 450 years, they came out crispy on the outside, yet juicy on the inside. Exactly what I was hoping for. Next, I made some homemade fries, and again, the crispiness was on point without the usual oil mess. The scale, on the other hand, was an interesting addition to the kitchen setup. It's incredibly easy to use, and the app integration is smooth. I used it to weigh my ingredients before cooking, and having access to precise nutritional data was surprisingly handy. Whether you're counting macros for a diet plan or just curious about the food you're consuming, this scale does a great job of giving you detailed breakdowns. Plus, it syncs up with the VeSync app, which tracks your daily, weekly, and monthly nutrition goals. Both devices are designed with ease of use in mind, making them suitable for anyone, whether you're tech-savvy or a kitchen novice. One of the key strengths here is convenience. The air fryer cooks meals quickly, which is perfect for those busy evenings. And the scale makes meal prep more streamlined by providing you with all the nutritional info you need at your fingertips. But like any product, it's not without its drawbacks. The air fryer's 5-quart basket is fantastic for larger meals, but if you're cooking for just 1 or 2 people, you may find it a bit too spacious for daily use. It's not a deal breaker by any means, but something to consider if you're cooking in smaller batches. Additionally, while the fryer does offer several preset cooking functions, it lacks a bit of customization. You can't adjust the cooking times or temperatures for every preset, which may limit flexibility for more seasoned cooks. The nutrition scale, on the other hand, could use some minor tweaks in its app interface. While the app does a great job of tracking nutritional info, it's not always 100% accurate when scanning food items at restaurants or on the go. It gets close, but you might need to manually tweak the entries for full accuracy. Still, it's a small issue that doesn't overshadow the product's overall functionality. When it comes to value for money, the COSORI Air Fryer and Smart Nutrition Scale bundle brings a lot to the table. The air fryer delivers solid performance in terms of cooking speed, crispiness, and versatility. Similarly, the nutrition scale offers excellent utility, especially for those tracking their food intake seriously. Compared to similar air fryers from other brands in this price range, the COSORI stands out with its high temperature capability and user-friendly design. The scale also adds a layer of value with its integration into the VeSync app, which helps you manage your nutrition goals more effectively. If we're talking about alternatives, there are several comparable air fryers in the same price bracket, such as the Ninja Air Fryer or the Philips HD 9252. However, the COSORI's 5-quart capacity, rapid cooking times, and precise temperature control make it a solid contender in this space. As for the nutrition scale, brands like COSORI or Greater Goods offer similar scales, but none match the COSORI's depth of features, including the database and app integration, at this price point. The build quality of both products is solid. The air fryer feels sturdy with a durable outer shell, and the basket is non-stick, which makes cleanup a breeze. The scale is lightweight and compact, so it doesn't take up much space in your kitchen. Both products are built with long-term use in mind, though. As with any appliance, long-term reliability will ultimately depend on frequency of use and proper care. Regarding customer support, COSORI has a solid reputation. While I didn't need to contact them personally during this review, the brand's customer service team is known for being responsive and helpful in resolving any issues, which is a nice reassurance for potential buyers. So, after testing both products thoroughly, here's my final verdict. The COSORI Air Fryer and Smart Nutrition Scale bundle offers a great balance of convenience, performance, and value. If you're someone who wants to eat healthier or streamline meal prep for the family, this duo will serve you well. While it does have some minor drawbacks, like the air fryer's size for smaller meals and the occasional hiccup with the Scales app, they are relatively easy to overlook when considering the overall functionality. If you're on the hunt for a reliable air fryer with good capacity and crisping ability, and a nutrition scale that helps keep your diet in check, this combo will likely meet your needs. It's a solid choice, especially for busy families or individuals aiming to eat better without the hassle. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this review or have questions, drop them in the comments below, or let us know if you've used these products already. If you're looking to grab one of these for yourself, check out the link in the comments box. Until next time, this has been Reviewsinsidetv, where we always give you the inside scoop on the products that matter. Catch you later, and stay crispy.